conditions across the region at 11 o'clock a.m. In Harlingen, cloudy, temperature 80 degrees. South wind at 29, gusting to 39 miles an hour. Bayview, partly sunny, temperature 80 degrees. South wind at 24, gusting to 37 miles an hour. Brownsville, partly sunny, temperature 79 degrees. South wind at 26, gusting to 44 miles an hour. Matamoros, partly sunny, temperature 79 degrees. South wind at 26. Edinburgh, cloudy, temperature 80 degrees. South wind at 18, gusting to 26 miles an hour. McAllen, partly sunny, temperature 81 degrees. South wind at 20, gusting to 30 miles an hour. Zapata, fair, temperature 78 degrees. South wind at 10. Hebronville, mostly sunny, temperature 79 degrees. South wind at 13. Elsewhere across Texas at this hour, Laredo, haze, 77 degrees. Del Rio, haze, 71 degrees. El Paso, light rain, 42 degrees. Amarillo, sunny, 52 degrees. At DFW Airport, light rain, 72 degrees. Houston, with light rain and fog, 73 degrees. Austin, haze, 75 degrees. San Antonio, haze, 73 degrees. And in Corpus Christi, cloudy, 77 degrees. Wind advisory in effect from 10 a.m. this morning to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. What? South winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour expected. Where? Inland Kennedy, Inland Willacy, Inland Cameron, Coastal Kennedy, Coastal Willacy and Coastal Cameron counties. When? From 10 a.m. this morning to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time this afternoon. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Small craft advisory remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. What? South winds around 20 knots with gusts up to 25 knots and seas 5 to 8 feet. Where? All lower Texas coastal waters including the Laguna Madre. When? Until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time this evening. Impacts: conditions will be hazardous to small craft. Inexperienced mariners, especially those operating smaller vessels, should avoid navigating in hazardous conditions. Patchy to areas of fog along the lower Texas coast. Patchy to areas of marine fog have developed across portions of the Laguna Madre and nearshore waters along the lower Texas coast.